नमस्कार, मी रघुनाथ कानडे आपले सर्वांचे स्वागत करतो. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून अभ्यासक्रमाशी निगडीत असलेले नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पहा. जर हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला तर नक्कीच लाईक व शेअर करा. त्याचबरोबर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये तुमच्या सूचना जरूर टाका.
Alliteration. Now look at the example. Start where you stand. Another example. Sarah's seven sisters sleep soundly. Kim's kids kept eating. Now can you guess what is the common thread in three sentences? In the first example, start and stand. In the second example, Sarah's seven sisters sleep soundly. Means the letter is repeated in the second example. In the third, Kim's kids kept eating. Means here is the sound or letter is repeated again and again. And when we find in the sentence or stanza, the same sound is repeated, same letter is repeated again and again, we call it the alliteration figure of speech. Alliteration means what? A repetition of sound, not just letter. That is most important. A repetition of sound, not just letter. It is called alliteration figure of speech. थोडक्यात मराठीमध्ये जर सांगायचं म्हटलं अलिटरेशन म्हणजे काय की जे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण खूप वेळेस ऐकलेलं आहे मराठीमध्ये. काकूने काकाच्या काळ्या कोटातील काळे कागद कात्रीने करा करा कापले. The sound is repeated in the same way in English. When we find the sound in the same sentence, in the first sentence, start where you stand. Second example, Sarah's seven sisters sleep soundly. So sound is repeated. Kim's kids kept eating. The sound is repeated. Means when the sound is repeated, not just later, that is alliteration figure of speech. Now examples from the poem. First example, done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms. Complaints, querulous criticisms. The sound is repeated. The earth, that is sufficient. The, that. Sound is repeated. I know they are very well where they are. Here is also sound is repeated. So, in all the examples, there is alliteration figure of speech. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Need nothing, that is, no sound is repeated.